This is really 1980s here. Old school. Wow. Yep, you need a card to access the parking level, but surprisingly, you can get up to the top. I believe Northern merged with ThyssenKrupp. Look at that. Old school. Same thing. I just thought I'd ride a different elevator though. It doesn't have the Thyssen or Northern plates. And by the way, if you guys did not know, Northern is a Canadian, or was a Canadian elevator manufacturer. Oh, let's look at the leveling here. Cool, cool, cool. Also, it's like after 10, so it's not really that busy. What's going on? I don't like that fan though. Alright, let's get the hell out of here before I get in trouble. This is technically private property, so